Hi there, Andy Cruz here with Mortgage Heroes Business Development Officer, and really what I want to talk about in the first quarter summary is one really big thing that kind of happened to lead into a lot of other things. And what really occurred is that the market got very slow at the end of 2018, and that meant that the first quarter of 2019 stayed slow a little bit as well. The months of January and February were seasonally slow and maybe even a little slower than traditionally experienced, but one thing really great happened in March, and that was buyer sentiment came back. People got a little more confident about what they could buy. We had a little bit of a weather change here in San Diego, which helped people's psyche a little bit feel better about buying a home and getting out to go see those open houses. And what helped with affordability is the Federal Reserve came out and said they're going to hold interest rates for the remainder of 2019. Now, even though that means short-term loan rates, things like credit cards, car loans, lines of credit, investor sentiment is helped in that situation where people feel confident that mortgages and mortgage rates are going to be healthy for the rest of the year. What that really means in short is that your money stays cheap. What that means in the real estate market is not only does your money stay cheap, but people feel confident about the purchase they're making, that they're going to get a good rate, that they're going to get a fair price on the home, and that it's actually possible for them to buy in an area they may have been squeezed out of before. So the first quarter is really summarized by this really rapid change of a slow, cold, thawing out winter carrying over into January, February, and then March happened and we are off to the races. This is probably the busiest April we have seen in about 5 or 6 years. And we've never had an April since then that's been this busy until now. And it has everything to do with consumer sentiment being high, people feeling positive about the real estate market, price stabilization, and low interest rates.